exterior angle theorem of a triangle. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to 1. State the exterior angle theorem of a triangle. 2. Use the exterior angle theorem to calculate angles of a triangle. Then the prerequisite is that the student should be able to identify and draw triangles. The student should also be able to identify alternate and corresponding angles and vertically opposite angles. And you need the following materials: rule, pair of scissors, and a protractor. Now, take a piece of paper so that we draw our triangle. Let's draw the base of our triangle. Now adjust and draw the other side of the triangle. Then finally, let's draw the third side of the triangle. Good. Now we've created interior angles, 3 interior angles of the triangle. Now, as soon as we identify, so now let's label them. Let's say A, we have B, C, then we have, as soon as we label an exterior angle, let's say angle D, then we have this angle C being adjacent to angle D, and angle A and angle B being opposite to angle D. We can also say they are non-adjacent to angle D. Good. And also, when we indicate this exterior angle, let's say angle E, then angle A and angle C are non-adjacent to angle E. That is exterior angle E. Now let's identify this exterior angle. Which two angles? Let's say angle F is here. Which two angles are opposite or non-adjacent to angle F? I need your feedback, so enter the response. Good. Now what we are going to do next is that we are going to look at the relationship between the exterior angle and the two non-adjacent interior angles. Exterior angle and the two non-adjacent interior angles. Good. So this is the labeling of our diagram. We are saying that as soon as we have an exterior angle, then we have an adjacent angle C to the exterior angle D. And also we have two non-adjacent interior angles, which is A and B, that are opposite to exterior angle D. Now, I need you to do this for me. You need your scissors. You are going to cut out these two non-adjacent or opposite interior angles to D. Then we'll fit them, or we arrange them at these vectors. That is the vectors of the exterior angle. Then we'll observe something. I hope you are with your scissors. So then cut this angle and remove it from it. Then come and arrange it at the vectors over here. Next, come and cut this one also. Then turn it well. I am doing it. Then fit it over here. Good. What can you say about these two angles? The relationship between them and the angle D. Can you guess? Can you make a correct mathematical guess? Good. Now you can see clearly that the two angles are equal to angle D. When we arrange them, if you do it very well, you see that the two angles, they will add up to angle D. So we have just established that angle B plus angle A is equal to angle D. So the two opposite interior angles will add up to give us the exterior angle. Good. Now let's take a formal proof. I need you to take your ruler again and do the following. Now let's construct or draw our triangle. With the exterior angles showing. Good. Now let's label our angles, or let's identify our angle. This angle over here and this angle. They are the two opposite angles to the exterior angle over here. Good. We are going to construct a line that is parallel to this side of the triangle at the vectors of the exterior angle. I know that you know how to construct a parallel line, so kindly do that for me. So do that, then you have something like this. Now this is our angle A. This is our angle A, B, and angle C over here. Then this is our angle D. This whole angle is angle D. Good. Now this is parallel to this. So this angle over here, angle B, is an alternate angle to this angle. Then also angle A, and angle A is corresponding to this angle over here. So now we've just established that angle A plus angle B will be equal to angle D. Good. So what we are trying to see over here is that anytime we have two angles that are interior angles of a triangle and they are opposite to the exterior angle, they will add up to give us the exterior angle. So never forget that. Let's take some example and see. Now these two angles, 65 degrees and 60 degrees, they are opposite to the exterior angle Y. So what we are trying to say is that to find the value of y, just add 65 degrees and 60 degrees, as simple as that, which will give us 125 degrees. Now this is very very useful because it will save our time from finding this third angle of the triangle, then using this angle and this one to find the angles of the sum of angles on a straight line, so that we can find the value of y. So this theorem is a shortcut to that sum of angles in a triangle, then angles on a straight line. This shortcut is not dangerous, so please try and use it. This shortcut is not dangerous. Good. Now try this one for me to see. Try this one. You are looking for, or you are finding the value of angle x and angle y. Do it, enter your result for feedback. Now this is our example 2. You always write down the relationship, whether you know this or that. Just write down the relationship. So we know that this is the relationship that is going to establish. You know that this is the exterior angle. So the two opposite interior angle, A degrees plus 110 degrees, should always add up to the 140, which is the exterior angle. Now my A will be equal to 140 minus 110, and this will give us 30 degrees. As simple as that. I hope this is not confusing you. I hope this will help you. You need to have eager eyes. As soon as you see the triangle like this, and you see that the two angles are opposite to the exterior angle, quickly quote this theorem so that you can work faster. Now, this is your trial work. Do it. Find the value of angle B and angle C. Enter a result for feedback. Now, let's try the final example, which is our example 3. Just write down the relationship. This is the exterior angle that is opposite to the two interior angle. Now, you know that, go down the theorem, we know that 7x plus 10 degrees, this angle plus this angle plus 50 degrees is equal to 13x. Note that this whole thing is one angle. This is also one angle. This is also one angle. So let's group like terms. You know that 10 plus 50 will be equal to 13x minus 7x. Adding negative 7x to both sides will give us this. Then now we have 60. We have 60 is equal to, this will give us 6x, right? Good. It's equal to 6x. Now dividing both sides by 6, we are going to get 10. So x is equal to 10 degrees. So the next, try the following. Find the value of x and y. Enter a result for feedback.